Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy, also known as the Yellow Dot Artist. Today I'm going to cover the basics in color theory and the basic color mixing. Once you learn how to mix colors, you'll be able to get wonderful effects like you can see in that painting of mine in the background. But it starts with the beginning, so let's start with the basics. Here we go. Primary paint colors consist of red, yellow, and blue. For the red, I used cadmium red medium, cadmium yellow light for the yellow, and a cobalt blue hue for the blue. Now I'm mixing them together, a little bit of yellow and a little bit of red, and when you mix it, you will get a nice pretty orange. You can always adjust it by adding more yellow if you want, or red. Now I'm mixing yellow and the blue primary color, and you'll see it becomes a very pretty green. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And these are the building blocks of color. Secondary paint colors consist of the colors that you created from the primary colors. You can get orange like you're getting here. Next, you're going to mix the red with the blue to get a purple. Warm colors are red, orange, and yellow and evoke feelings of energy, excitement, and warmth. Cool colors create a sense of calm, peace, and coolness, like blue, green, and purple. Now we move on to creating depth with color. In a previous video where I showed the different brushes, like paint brushes and painting the sides, that was the depth and dimension. Here's an example. You can add white or dark to different colors to get different shades. So I'm trying black now to the green. You see it becomes a very deep green. You don't necessarily just have to mix it with black. You can mix it with a different color like a dark blue, and you see that shade of green. Now I'm going to take the blue and mix it with a white, and I'm going to adjust the camera. There you go. Then with black, and now blue with the purple. You see again the different shades. Here's another example with yellow. But if you mix yellow with black, it becomes green, not a lighter shade. When you mix it with blue, you also get a green-blue shade. So here's another example. You take the orange, mix it with white, you get a little lighter color you can use as a highlight. Now I'm going to mix it with extra white, and you see how light that is. Now that makes a better highlight. Now I'm taking the orange and mixing it with black, and you'll see the nice deep tone that it gets. Thanks for watching. Head over to my website, Yellow Dot Artist, to see more videos and demonstrations as well as my art.